Hi friends, I'm Tim Jung with Call It Closed International Realty. I just wanted to take a moment to send you this video invitation to our broker open house on Thursday, February the 9th from 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. We will have some refreshments and drink. This house is located at 2609 Lamppost Lane in Kannapolis. That's in the lower part of Kannapolis, located in the Lantern Green subdivision off of Oakwood Avenue and Orphanage Road. Again, we'll be here from 11 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. and I hope that you'll come and take a look. The house, again, is a little over 3,300 square feet, priced under $140 a square foot, and that's a tremendous value. List price currently is at $469. So I hope we'll see you Thursday, again, 11 to 1:30 p.m. at 2609 Lamppost Lane in Kannapolis. Thank you.